Welcome back, and now let's move on to Parliament news. Our first Lok Sabha. The highlight of the day's proceedings in the Lok Sabha was the presentation of the railway budget by Pawan Kumar Bansal, the Minister for Railways. In the course of his budget oration, he underscored the importance of passenger amenities, cleanliness and safety. The Railway Minister said the country's lifeline transportation system would have to find adequate resource generation for expansion and completion of the projects on hand. The Minister said the railways remain the single most important catalyst in India's growth story and is a vital link connecting different regions from Baramulla in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. He said the growth of Indian Railways is inextricably linked with the growth of the country. When the Minister started announcing the list of new rail projects to be taken up, many from the opposition benches were seen rising and demanding schemes for their respective regions. Ankit Singh Patel of the Samajwadi Party shouted against the Railway Minister for ignoring his demands for rail projects. The Samajwadi Party member was later admonished by the chair for his indecent behavior. It was very noisy when Mr. Bansal ended his budget speech and the House adjourned for a lunch break. Earlier, the question hour in the Lok Sabha was unusually lively because of a couple of starred questions taken up on sensitive issues. Vasudev Acharya, CPM, in the course of his question, alleged that Unlawful Activities Act is being misused by the state governments in the name of the fighting terrorism. The Minister of State for Home, RPS Singh, rejected the CPM member's allegation as wild and unfounded. Mr. Acharya could not provide any specific cases. Another starred question on the women's safety in Delhi turned out to be quite sensitive. Dinesh Chandra Yadav, JDU, alleged that the Delhi government's claim of making the metropolitan city women-friendly was out of place. The opposition leader Sushma Swaraj said that atrocities against the city women are going on even after the sensational gang rape murder of a young woman in the metro city in December. In the post-poll session, the Lok Sabha took up a special discussion on the adverse impacts of drought and hailstorms in various parts of the country. It was raised by Shailendra Kumar, SP, and Gopinath Munde, BJP. The severe loss suffered by the farmers in UP and adjoining states in the recent hailstorms and rains was highlighted in Shailendra Kumar's presentation. Gopinath Munde's focus was on the suffering of the farmers in Maharashtra because of the ongoing dry conditions in both the coastal and interior areas of the state. Sharad Yadav, JDU, wanted the government to re-gear the planned strategy for agriculture. Mr. Yadav also highlighted the severe drought conditions prevailing in the Bundelkhand region. Members from various political parties took part in the discussion. The debate remained inconclusive.